Hello, welcome back to Coils by Sharlene. Today I'm reviewing Cantu Shea Butter Coconut Curling Cream. If you're a newbie to this natural hair journey or a product junkie like me, you've probably heard of Cantu. But is it really worth the hype? I'm going to try this product and see if it can last on a wash and go. So this cream is formulated with shea butter, coconut oil, avocado oil, jojoba seed oil, olive oil, mango seed butter and oil, carrot seed oil and grape seed oil to deeply moisturize, add slip and shine. Oh my goodness. And does it smell good? Yes, it smells like coconut and not an artificial smell. It's a lovely smell. It's a very thick consistency, and on the tub it actually says it's good for type 3 curls and type 4 coils. Unless your hair is very dry, stick to the instructions. If you have type 2 hair, you can try this, but it might be way too oily, especially if your hair is thin. These great ingredients are known for intense moisturizing benefits. It will help to define curls, reduce frizz, and add volume and shine. Now let's see if this is true for my hair. I'm going to break this video down into 5 sections, and the first one is to start on clean hair. My hair is freshly washed. This is what I used: shampoo, conditioner, and I did a rice water rinse because I dyed my hair last week and it is dry as the desert. That's why I thought this product's going to be amazing. Its claim is to provide essential moisture, and that's what my hair needs right now. It's got no sulfates, no parabens, no silicones, no drying alcohol, so it's great for us who want to avoid harsh chemicals. So it's curly girl friendly and approved. I've already reviewed some of Cantu's other videos. If you're interested, have a look on my page. But for now, let's see if this one will work. I love Cantu products. I have to say, they always work. So if this is as good as all the others, I'm excited. Section 2 is the application demo. Now, I'm showing you exactly what I'm doing. This is my routine. I found this product can be applied to damp or dry hair. It is that good. The moisture that it brings into the hair is crazy. I'm telling you, my hair felt moisturized instantly. I sectioned my hair into 4. I start from the back, working forwards. I use small amounts for each section, so just to make sure it's evenly distributed, and a little goes a long way. I find this with Cantu products, because this is such a thick consistency, you don't actually need a lot. I've re-wet my hair a bit, just because I want to add more moisture, as much moisture as I can possibly, so I am re-wetting my hair to detangle, and then I'm raking it through. I'm also brushing my hair through with a detangle brush to be certain that all the knots have been removed. Here are a couple of pro tips. Rake and scrunch. Raking helps the cream coat every strand, and scrunching can encourage your curl formation. So whatever your curl is, it will bring it up. I'm not going to scrunch in this video, but you can try it if you like. And a second pro tip is to pair it with a gel. If you follow me, you know I'm a gel girl. I love my gels. So for me to try this without a gel, I'm being very brave. But I thought, let me try a cream and see if it can actually live up to its claims. I would suggest a strong gel because this product is so thick. Those light gels, I'm not sure they're gonna work. On to section 3, let's talk about the pros and cons. Okay, it's affordable, obviously, and easily available. Cantu is probably the product you can find anywhere. South Africa, England, of course. Australia, of course. America, of course. Cantu is readily available, and it's not a bad price. I'm just looking, and mine actually says it's made in Poland. That's well confusing, but distributed in Stamford, UK. And it lasts 12 months. I love this. You must always check how long your products last. If you're better than me, you'll actually put the date you've opened that product. 12 months means this product will only last you for 12 months. After that, a product will expire. So don't keep using it after the 12 months. The second pro is it's super moisturizing and leaves your hair soft. Yeah, it definitely moisturized my hair and my hair feels soft. Definition, it defines my curls without weighing them down. Yeah, I think so. The product is quite heavy, so I feel like it might weigh it down, but when it dries, we might have a different result. So let's see what that turns into. Another pro is they always tell you how to use it, who it's for, and what's in there. Another pro is the smell. Usually Cantu products, when they say it's coconut, that coconut smell sometimes is overpowering and just artificial. But this one is not. It smells good. It's a light fragrance. It doesn't smell bad at all. And the last pro is that it's got exceptionally good ingredients. Oh, yes. You don't have to worry about what's actually going in your hair. And now the cons. Number 1. It is a very thick consistency, and if you have fine hair, you really need to use a little bit. Otherwise, it's a lot. It's a lot. And the second one is it feels very oily. You can see it is jam-packed with oil. So if you don't like your hair to feel oily, this is not the product for you. But if your hair needs moisture, it probably needs oil. So if your hair is dry and brittle, this is probably the product for you, even though you might not like the feel of oily hair. I personally don't like oily hair. But in this case, I really need it. So whether I like it or not, this is what my hair needs. And I need to reform my routine to suit my hair's needs. So on how to use, the bottle actually says smooth onto damp hair section by section. Begin at the root and work down the ends. Do not rinse. Can be used on dry hair to re-moisturize curls. Finish with oil to seal in moisture. And that is what I did. I got a bit of jojoba oil, then smoothed it down my hair as much as possible. Not a lot, but just enough to coat my whole head. Usually I'm a gel kind of girl, okay? I stick to gels. So for me to try a cream and for it to come out so good is ridiculous. Cantu, guys, wow, it's soft, it's got bounce. We're on to section 4, the results. Now, what can you expect to see with your wet and dry results? The wet results look like wet results. Not amazing, but they look all right. They have this white residue. I've found that it took a while for this white to go away. I did find a lot of frizz. I wet 2 fingers and just raked one bit of my hair again. And I found when it dried, we go to the dry results, that particular one that I added water to lost its definition. It was more frizzy than the rest of my hair. I just removed the product by adding water. And the dry results, wow, I am shocked. They are looking good. Day 1, they don't look amazing. I haven't done anything. I haven't fluffed, nothing. This cream gives my curls a soft hold. There's no crunch at all. Ever so slight cast, but no crunch. And the definition on my 3B, 3C hair for a cream, it's amazing. I was shocked. It's better than what I thought. Then I'm going to show you day 2 as well and give you my final thoughts, which is section 5. Is it worth it? Oh yes, I would say so. If you're looking for an affordable cream that provides moisture, yep. Definition, yep. Frizz control, yep. Don't re-wet it after you've added it. It might be a bit heavy if your curls are fine, but otherwise, yes, I would recommend you giving it a try. It looks so good without a gel. Imagine if I added a gel. This would last me all week and it would be top notch. Wow, it is way better than I expected. Cantu always delivers. They always deliver. I don't know a product that Cantu has made that doesn't work on my hair. Every product I've tried works on my hair. That's ridiculous. So yes, of course I recommend Cantu Shea Butter Coconut Curling Cream. It's a solid choice. Thanks so much for watching Curls by Sharlene. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? And if this video was any use to you, please like it and leave a comment. Has this worked for you? Why not turn your notification bell so you're notified every time I post a new video? Thanks so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye!